Since 1992, USAID has partnered with the governments and people of Central Asia to build on our common interests and promote growth and prosperity for the people of this region. The 4 republics covered by our mission are economically, politically, and demographically diverse, with unique concerns and perspectives. However, they enjoy deep and complex ties with one another, as well as with the greater region, which includes Afghanistan, China, Russia, and the rest of the former Soviet Union. For nearly 25 years, USAID has been a steadfast partner for Central Asia. Our earliest projects helped transition the newly independent countries following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. USAID encouraged the development of the private sector, including opening Kazakhstan's first stock exchange in 1994. We also rehabilitated infrastructure such as water treatment facilities that had become outdated or fallen into disrepair. In Tajikistan, where independence was followed by a civil war that claimed up to 100,000 lives and displaced more than 1 million people, USAID provided humanitarian assistance including food aid, helped combatants transition to civilian life, and worked to rebuild schools, hospitals, and housing throughout the country. Today, USAID continues to promote economic growth, improve health and education outcomes, and champion democracy, human rights, and good governance. In ancient times, the Silk Road formed the vital bridge between Europe, Asia, and Africa, opening economic, cultural, and political exchanges that benefited all. Today, Central Asia continues to form this bridge. From the shores of the Caspian Sea to the vast quiet of the Kazakh steppe and the soaring peaks of the Pamirs, the region encompasses the glittering skyscrapers of Astana, the storied minarets of Bukhara, and the countless villages where ancient traditions still resonate. Connections to Europe, Russia, India, China, and the Middle East continue to flourish. The United States is a proud partner to Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan, and our USAID mission to Central Asia is as committed as ever to providing development assistance from the American people.